me today.
It was not a good day for you today, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
So why so? Why so, Sakha?
Sir, because someone वो डांटने को क्या बोलते हैं?
Scold.
Someone scolded me, but I am not. सर मैं वैसी नहीं हूँ जैसा उन्होंने समझा. That's all.
Who scolded you?
Sir, actually, ये रिकॉर्ड तो नहीं ना हो रहा?
Yes, of course it is. Wait a minute. Huh. So Shakha, we were supposed to read the article about celebrity Jamie Oliver. He's a celebrity safe. I hope कि आपने
Yes, sir.
पढ़ा होगा, जरूर पढ़ा होगा.
Yes, sir. I read.
Yes.
And also listen
The audio. Very good.
The audio related this article.
Yes, very good.
Okay.
So there here four. Yes, recording has started. Okay. See, 4 headings are given, 4 titles are given. Which of these 4 titles will you give to this first para?
Okay. Now.
Yes.
I can read this and identify.
Yes, of course, please.
Okay. Wait. Sadh, famous chef.
Yes, correct. So D is the perfect title for this passage or for this paragraph. A famous chef.
A famous chef.
And what about the second paragraph? It is very easy. Trying to go through it.
Yes, sir. So it is related to early life.
Yes, correct. The title for this paragraph should be his early life. Whose early life?
Yes, sir.
Whose early life?
Jamie Oliver.
Yeah, Jamie Oliver's early life.
Oliver's, okay.
Got it?
Sir.
Now moving to the third paragraph, right? Okay.
Okay. Sir.
Yes.
Slide unusual restaurant, family. Okay. Family and free time. Okay.
What about the third one?
Wait, करो सर ये रेस्टोरेंट के रिलेटेड है, मतलब जो उसका फर्स्ट वाला नहीं है
unusual restaurant, correct.
Yes, sir.
And unusual restaurant should be the title.
See,
आपको इस सेगमेंट को करने से क्या फायदा होगा? What benefits and what advantages will you get after doing this segment of the course? आपको रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस हो रही है, राइट? रीडिंग की प्रैक्टिस हो रही है और आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग भी इम्प्रूव हो रही है कि आप समझ रहे हो कि ये पैराग्राफ किस चीज के बारे में है, वहां से उसको रिलेट कर पा रहे हो, राइट?
सर दिस पैराग्राफ आल्सो मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
नहीं, सही है, बोलते जाओ. यू आर करेक्ट. दिस पैराग्राफ आल्सो
गिव नॉलेज about the notice press writing वगैरह, तो उसमें वो टाइटल देना होता है.
बिल्कुल सही. प्रेस राइटिंग में और फिर रीडिंग कॉम्प्रिहेंशन में ये सेगमेंट गोइंग टू हेल्प यू अ लॉट, राइट?
Yes, sir. So I am very weak in this area.
No, you will not remain any more weak in any area, because you are hardworking and you are dedicated about your studies and career and life. So please go through the fourth part of this.
Yes, sir. Related to family.
Related to family. Yes, nice. Family life. I'm very happy, Shakha. You are doing marvelous. You are doing marvelous job, and with your every answer, you are impressing me more.
Thank you, sir.
And now coming to this part of the third question. Okay. You had to write the names of 5 famous Indian people, as I told you yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you will have also to tell me about why are they famous.
Yes, sir.
So sir, have you written?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, I only tell you your name and their, why they are famous.
Yes, continue now. Everything is okay.
Sir, I tell you about the name of the famous personality and their why they are famous. Only?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Can I start it?
Yes, of course, of course, of course.
Okay. Now, first one is famous personality is Bhimrao Ambedkar. Okay. He is also known as Baba Sahib. He is famous for drafting Constitution of India.
Very good. And did you write these things on your own without any help?
सर ये मैं खुद बोल रही हूँ और लेकिन मैंने इन चीजों का पता नेट से किया था लेकिन जो मैं अभी बोल रही हूँ ये खुद बोल रही हूँ.
Okay. So you can tell these things in English also. Sir, I am speaking on my own.
Okay. Sorry.
No problems. Okay.
Okay. Sir, can I go?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Second one is APJ Abdul Kalam.
Yep. Very good.
Ji. He is also known as Fireman of India, I think.
Yeah, not Missile Man of India, not Fireman of India.
कौन सा बोलते हैं?
Missile Man.
Missile. जी. Sorry, sir. Missile Man of India.
Yeah.
And he is a scientist. He is not only scientist but also 11th president of India.
Very good, very good. And he was a great scholar and dreamer also.
Yes, sir. Sir, writer.
And he was a great writer also, right?
Yes, sir.
Who is the third famous person you will talk about?
Okay. Jyotiba Phule. Jyotiba Phule. He is the first female teacher. Sir, इसके बारे में इतना ही पता है.
Yes.
I know.
She belonged to, I think, tribe caste, scheduled tribe caste. Still, she educated herself very much.
She is the first woman educated as well as first teacher also.
Yes, first teacher also. And she very well understood the importance of education among girl children, right?
Yes, sir.
Good.
Yes,
and
sir.
who is the next one?
Akshay Kumar.
Okay. I think you're crazy after him, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, Akshay Kumar is an actor. Akshay Kumar is famous for his acting. ये बोलूँगी ना?
Yeah, correct.
He did lot of क्या बोलते उसको
films.
He did lot of films. I like Airlift, Navy. Navy वाली थी उसका नाम नहीं. Okay. Airlift. अभी क्या बोलूं? Wait. सर इसके बारे में मतलब
Okay, do you like Akshay Kumar for his personality also?
Yes, sir. Okay, मैं तो इनके बारे में एक पॉइंट बताने ही भूल गई. Wait. Yes, sir. Sir, he is a very gentleman, gentle and caring type of person.
Really?
So family. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, family की बहुत care करते हैं.
Yeah, he has great family values. He has great family values.
He has great family values. Yes, sir. That's why I like.
That's why I like him. Okay.
Or last one is Uday Shankar Soni, sir.
Oh my God! Do you think I am famous?
Yes, sir. You are famous. Uday Shankar Soni, sir. He is famous for his teaching. Teaching or
I'm again feeling in cloud 9. dear Shakha.
ओके सर, जी जी, थैंक यू सर। सर आप वैसे हो, और ही इज नोन बाय हिज टीचिंग प्रोफेशन, और मैं क्या बोलूं सर, मेरे को बोलना नहीं आता, वेट करो।
Take your time, take your time.
जी जी, हाँ, ओके ओके ओके। I am very happy because I am personally talk one of my favorite उसको क्या बोलते हैं, जब वन ऑफ फेवरेट पर्सनालिटी भी बोल सकती हूँ, वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट पर्सन भी बोल सकती हूँ। इट्स इनफ।
Thank you.
सही है,
Thank you for counting my name among those big personalities of the country, Shakha. But I really feel that I don't deserve to be there on that list.
No, sir.
Thank you for your respect and regard.
सर नो, सर आपको ऐसा लग रहा है फेमस पर्सनालिटी, पर मेरे लिए आप पर्सनालिटी, फेमस पर्सनालिटी हो, बिकॉज मैं आपको जानती नहीं थी पहले, मैं इंटरेक्ट बेस से आप तक पहुंची हूँ, और जब मैंने जाना, और आप सच में मेरे लिए एक फेमस पर्सनालिटी, और उससे भी अच्छी बात ये है कि मैं आपको फर्स्ट फेमस पर्सनालिटी, मतलब जो भी है, मैं उससे बात कर रही हूँ। अगर मेरे से ऐसे अक्षय कुमार से बात करती, या किसी और से बात करती, तो मेरे लिए कितना अच्छा, मतलब मेरे को वो वाला फील आता है कि मैं वैसे मतलब बात कर रही हूँ, मतलब जिससे बंदा चाहता है कि हाँ बात करे।
So nice,
अच्छा लगता है।
so nice, Shakha. And now, what is the B part of this question? Work in groups, compare names. Who is the most famous person do you think? Okay. So now, because Gunjan is not present here, she is on train.
Okay.
She's on train, and that's why I'll be your partner here to have a discussion about these things today. Okay.
Yes.
So from my side, the first famous person from India is Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay.
You know why I like him? Because
why?
He speaks less and does more.
Wow, yes, nice.
And he is famous for his cricketing career and cricketing skill. He was one of the best batsmen in the world.
Yes, sir.
I hope I am quite clear to you.
Yes, sir.
The second name I would like to take is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan.
Yes.
He is my all-time favorite.
Yes. Okay, sir.
People love and respect him for his acting.
Yes.
And I respect him and I love him for his attitude towards life. He is never ready to accept defeat.
He is never ready
to accept defeat.
Okay.
He has seen a lot of troubles and challenges in his life. But he never yielded. He never surrendered. He never quit. He never gave up. He always struggled. And every time after his bad conditions of life, he came out as a winner.
Yes, sir.
I respect him for this quality of his personality. And people and the whole world respect him for his acting skill.
Yes, sir.
It is very tough for me to collect 5 names of famous people from the country. But the next name that I would like to take is Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay.
Without going into political depth, I must tell that it is a very big thing to have courage when you don't have power.
Yes, sir.
Gandhiji was neither physically strong nor economically strong, but he had all the willpower and courage to go against or to oppose every wrong thing in the country. I cannot complete my list without talking about Bhagat Singh here.
Yes.
Bhagat Singh was and is not only famous but also one of the most inspiring personalities throughout my life.
Yes.
In spite of his young age, he was completely dedicated and devoted to his motherland, and he even sacrificed his life.
Yes.
Last but not the least, the name that I'm
See.
going to take here is Swami Vivekanand.
Okay.
He is famous for his teachings to the youth of India. He is really an
Yes.
inspiring personality, and he has shown a path of brightness, a path of knowledge to the youth of India and also to the youth of the world. I respect Swami Vivekanand because he had a very great personality. His determination is beyond one's imagination. I have read his life story and I found that nobody can be like him at all. Once he went to America to take part in religious conference over there.
See.
One very beautiful young American lady who was completely madly in love with Swami Vivekanand because of his
See.
personality and thinking, came to him and said to him, Swamiji, you are so intelligent and I am so beautiful. Why don't we marry? And from us, we will have a son who will be as good looking as I and who will be as intelligent as you. Then Swami Vivekananda asked her, do you really want me to marry you for a son as intelligent as me? Then the lady said, yes, I really do. I really want. Then Swami Vivekananda said, then Mate, आप मुझे ही क्यों नहीं अपना बेटा मान लेती हैं? मेरे जैसा क्यों चाहिए? मैं ही आपका बेटा बन जाता हूं. So strong minded he was.
Yes, sir.
So I respect Swami Vivekanand for his determination and strong willpower.
Yes, sir.
Now we will have to compare
Mhm.
who is the most famous person out of these 10. 5 famous persons you talked about and 5 famous persons I talked about. So we together talked about 10 famous persons. So Shakha, will you please tell me, according to you, who is the most famous person out of these 10?
Yes, okay. So,
Yes.
wait, no.
Yes, I'm waiting. I'll be waiting.
So there, according to, so as rating, किस basis पे, on the basis of on the behalf?
Yeah, it's your common sense. Apply your common sense. See, I told you that this course is going to challenge you in many ways, not only in English. No doubt, this is a course of English where you learn how to speak English, how to read English, how to write English, how to listen to English and understand it. But at the same time, this course is going to challenge you in many ways. And this is one of them, right?
Yes, so it is totally a skill development.
Yes.
In the interview, sometimes I can't explain these things correctly, but you explain these things in much better way. So I learn these things
So, but you try first. You try first. Take your time.
Okay. So I can rank?
Yes, you can. Otherwise, you can take only top 3 or only one most famous person. Means whatever you are comfortable in. Don't bother about the
Okay.
question, but you'll have to give the
Okay.
ranking for it.
Don't worry. You can put question. I answer. Sir, first person is Gandhiji
Okay.
because he has nothing.
Yes, he had nothing.
He had nothing means you tell.
You told.
You told.
Yes, because the moment passed.
You has because
You have told.
जी अभी तो हुआ ना है ना you had told you has told
you has no you have Shakha you have yes
just you have told
yep
this so that's why I give first rank then ये बात किसको दूं मैं wait ना Swami Vivekanand.
Okay.
जी, because I doesn't know.
I don't know.
I don't know. हाँ doesn't नहीं आएगा sorry sir. I don't know very well about this personality, but it's a way of life very interesting.
Of course.
See, that's why I give the second rank.
Okay, good.
Third one is Bhimrao Ambedkar. Because he is a person. He was a person. He is आएगा was आएगा. So he was the person who takes stand about herself.
Took a stand himself.
Took stand himself
for himself. And, took stand for himself. Yes.
Took stand for himself.
Yes.
And
for his society also.
And his society also.
Very good. Very good, Shakha. Very good, Shakha. Shakha, you can be inspiring for thousands of students who are willing to learn English, but because of hesitation, they don't try even. When this recording goes to internet, thousands of students will be inspired seeing you speaking like that. You are just taking every word and trying to put them on the right position in the sentence and trying to speak English without thinking whether it will be right or wrong, and taking help of your teacher in a perfect way. That's really nice and inspiring. Inspiring for, I told you, how thousands of students. Last day video I haven't put on my Facebook, that I'm gonna put tomorrow.
Yes, sir, I see. Okay, so then fourth one is yes, sir. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Very good.
Okay. APJ, he was a man with dedication, lot of hard work, or he gave lot of सर क्या बोलूं मैं इसने इंडिया के लिए बहुत कुछ किया.
He has done lot of things.
He done lot of things for India.
Yes, correct. Very good. Very good.
Yes, sir. Sorry. Then I rank वो उनका नाम क्या था? वो शहीद हुए थे भगत सिंह.
It's enough, Shakha. You did it very well. Yeah, it's enough. It's really very good job you did. Very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Very
Thank you,
impressive. Very impressive. In my ranking, Swami Vivekanand will come first.
जी.
Second position will be given to Mahatma Gandhi. Third to
जी.
Baba Saheb Ambedkar. And fourth to APJ Abul Kalam.
जी.
Fifth to Amitabh Bachchan.
जी.
And sixth to Sachin Tendulkar.
जी.
Okay. And Jyotiba Phule will be there on the same position with Baba Rao Ambedkar. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. Bhimrao Ambedkar.
जी. Yes, sir.
This is my ranking. And both the rankings are equally correct because the ranking is not here according to the merits and demerits. Up to some extent, it is according to the impression that we have got from these personality on our minds.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So I think match भी किए.
I think.
Match.
Yes, of course.
मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है जब मेरी मैचिंग आपसे मिलती है.
So nice. So are you ready for the fifth question, Shakha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this fifth question, we are going to just talk about Jamie Oliver. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So I think you have gone through the text and you have listened to the audio related to his life.
Oh, yes, sir. Listen.
Okay.
Listen.
Now tell me, when did he get married?
Sir, exact ratio I can't define because I can't learn.
You don't remember exactly, right? The year.
Okay.
No problem.
Yes, sir.
Which instrument can he play?
Nothing. He can't.
I think I must give you some time, 2 or 3 minutes, to go through the text once more, so that you may answer these questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So first of all, I can give me break minute.
Your time starts now.
Okay.
Yes. I'm gonna give you some time, okay, to read this text once again, so that you may bear the facts in your mind to answer the questions. Okay.
Okay.
Now your time starts. So now, because you have read the text once again, we should move to the question part.
Yes, sir.
I hope you are ready to answer these questions now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first one is done here already. See the question: how does he travel around London? He travels around London by scooter. So by scooter is the correct answer. You can give the answer in short and in a whole sentence also. Okay? It's up to you.
Okay.
The second question is, when did he get married?
He get married 2000.
He get married or got married? What are we talking about? Present or past?
So past.
So, which form? Which verb form?
Okay, wait. Second form.
Yes. So, what should be the correct sentence? He get married or he got married?
Say form. Can you bata meko?
You don't know? Okay. Get is V1 and got is V2. Second form.
Okay. He got married.
Yeah.
He got married in 2000.
Yeah, very good. Yeah, very good. Which instrument can he play? Third question for you. Which instrument can he play?
Sir, I can't say this line.
Okay. I'm just showing you the text once again. Don't be bothered about that. Okay. No problems.
Okay.
See, the text is here to help you once again.
Okay. Instrument.
Do you remember in which paragraph is it talked about?
Riding hero.
Sorry?
Wait. Sir, kya?
In which paragraph is this been talked about? Fourth paragraph. Okay.
Fourth.
Yes, right. So go through the fourth paragraph only and you'll find the answer.
Yes, sir. Mil gaya. Drum.
Yes.
In the rock.
Yeah. So which instrument can he play? Can you answer in the full sentence?
Yes, sir. He played drum.
He played or he can play?
Sir, wait करो ना. He can play.
Yes, he can play. He can play. All right.
Yes, sir.
Question number 4th for you. Ready for that?
Yes, sir.
4th is, what is he writing at the moment?
What is writing at the moment? When? What is the writing at the moment?
What is he writing at the moment?
मतलब वेट करो, मतलब उसने कब राइट किया था, कौन से मोमेंट
What
पे
is
राइट
he
किया
writing?
था?
What is he writing? Not when. What?
अच्छा, मतलब उसने क्या लिखा था?
Don't ask me. Don't repeat the question in Hindi. Try to understand it in English itself. Okay?
What is the writing and movement, sir?
What is he writing? What is he writing? He means Oliver Jamie Oliver.
Yes, sir.
What is Jamie Oliver writing?
Sir, answer I can't define because he write Australian and USA related कुछ था, तो I can't.
You don't remember. So I have brought the text before you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is he writing?
New book of recipes.
Yes. So can you answer this in full sentence?
Yes. Jamie write. Jamie. Jamie. Jamie writes new book of recipe.
Okay. So take care of the tense. Jamie writes. Is it correct?
Jamie. Yes, sir.
See, look at the question once again.
Yes, sir. Please.
Look at the question. Question number 4. Okay. What is he writing at the moment?
He writing a book of recipe.
Yeah. He writing. He writing.
A book of.
He writing. Is it correct or you are missing something? Look at the question once again.
Wait. He is writing.
Yes. That's what was missing. Was missing, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir. He is writing.
Yeah. He is writing.
He is writing a book of recipe.
Yeah. A new book of recipe.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Move to the question number 5. Ready for that?
Yes, sir.
How often is 15 on TV? How often is 15 on TV?
On 15th anniversary.
How often means kitni bar? How often means?
कितनी बार वो टीवी पे आए, मतलब ये?
No, listen to me. Listen to me. Look at the question. What is 15? Do you know what is 15?
15.
No, it is not a number only. 15 is something special. 15 is something related. Yes, go through the text once again. Go through the text once again and try to find out what 15 is exactly.
Sir, 15th is the name of a restaurant.
Okay, and is there anything more about 15?
Wait, he's got his own restaurant. It's Jamie own restaurant है 15th. Yes, sir. Sir, जब वो मतलब 15 रेस्टोरेंट का नेम है और उसने 15 इसलिए रखा है क्योंकि वो 15 अनएम्प्लॉयड को एम्प्लॉयमेंट देता था.
और कुछ है 15?
मेरी प्रोग्राम अबाउट द रेस्टोरेंट आल्सो, और ये प्रोग्राम अबाउट द, और वो ना जो प्रोग्राम आता था ना टीवी पे, तो वो भी 15th नाम पे आता था एवरी वीक.
So now come to the question once again. Okay, question number 5. How often means kitni बार, कब is 15 on TV?
Sir, anniversary पे आएगा, I think.
आपने अभी तो बोला था थोड़ी देर पहले। 15 is what? What is 15?
15 is the name of restaurant.
Okay, first correct. But is restaurant on TV? Is restaurant on TV?
No.
So if it is on TV, what is 15? If something is on TV, what is that?
Something on TV. Sir, just sir, I can't understand this.
अच्छा ठीक है,
Wait करो ना.
हाँ वेट कर रहे हैं।
How
Take
often
it.
is 15 on TV? Means fifth. Sir, जो wait करो ना. Sir, I wait. सर 15th जो है ना, वो उसके रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है, ठीक है।
अच्छा जी।
और 15th को, हाँ, तो वो 15th क्या करता है कि जो 15th नाम इसलिए क्योंकि वो 15 बंदे एम्प्लॉयमेंट देता है, और फिर क्या करता है कि टीवी पे भी प्रोग्राम आता है।
चलो अब मेरी बात सुनो अन्ना, अब मेरी बात
बताओ।
ठीक है, अभी बोला जा रहा है हाउ ऑफ्टन 15 इज ऑन टीवी। ऑन टीवी कभी रेस्टोरेंट होगा?
ऑन टीवी नहीं तो। ऑन
टीवी मतलब टीवी पर,
जैसे रेसिपी बना के दिखाता होगा।
नहीं सुनो ना, मेरी बात सुनो ना, कोई रेस्टोरेंट कभी टीवी पे होगा? रेस्टोरेंट हो सकता है क्या टीवी पे?
नो सर,
नहीं हो सकता। क्वाइट क्लियर। तो आपने बताया 15 उसके रेस्टोरेंट का नाम है। 15 इज द नेम ऑफ हिज रेस्टोरेंट, करेक्ट? एंड 15 इज द नेम ऑफ प्रोग्राम ऑल्सो?
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर।
आपने बताया ना कि 15 नाम से एक प्रोग्राम टीवी पे आता है। तो टीवी पर वाले 15 की बात हो रही है और बात हो रही है ऑन टीवी, तो क्या होगा वो 15? रेस्टोरेंट है कि प्रोग्राम है?
The name of program.
It's the name of program. And what is the question? How often is 15 on TV? How often का मतलब क्या होता है, पता है आपको?
How often का नहीं पता। हाँ मतलब कितनी?
कब या कितनी बार?
कब टीवी पे, I don't know.
ठीक है, जैसे हाउ ऑफ्टन पहले सिखाते हैं हम आपको, फिर इस क्वेश्चन पे जाएंगे, राइट? How often do you take food in a day?
3 times.
आपने बताया ना 3 times? Okay. How often do you bath daily?
Daily 1 time.
Okay. How often do you brush your teeth every day?
2 times.
Okay. How often do you go to the cinema?
Rarely.
Okay. How often do you join my class?
How often? 1 day before.
How often do you join my class? How often का हिंदी मैंने क्या बताया आपको?
How often मतलब कब कितनी बार ज्वाइन किया? तो
किया सोचो तो हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या बोल रहे? हाउ ऑफ्टन डू यू ज्वाइन?
डू यू ज्वाइन कि कब ज्वाइन
किया पास्ट में चला गया क्या डू से? सोचो।
नो सर,
जनरल बात हो रही।
जस्ट सर।
हाउ ऑफ्टन डू यू अटेंड माई क्लास या ज्वाइन माई क्लास, ये क्या बात हो रही है? पास्ट की बात हो रही है क्या शाखा?
नहीं, प्रेजेंट की
बात हो रही है। नो, प्रेजेंट की बात भी नहीं हो रही है।
सॉरी सर, आप रिपीट करो ना।
हाउ ऑफ्टन डू यू अटेंड माई क्लास?
हाउ ऑफ्टन एट 7:30?
नहीं, हमने टाइम तो पूछा नहीं। आप क्यों पेशेंस खो रहे हो? हम तो कोई नहीं रहे ना, आराम से एकदम। हाउ ऑफ्टन का हिंदी पहले दिमाग में रखो। हाउ ऑफ्टन का हिंदी क्या होता है बताओ?
कब कितनी बार।
दो में से एक चीज बताओ, या तो कब बोलो या तो कितनी बार, ठीक है? कब को छोड़ दो, कितनी बार बताओ, ठीक है? इसको छोड़ दो आप। ये वाला दिमाग
कितनी बार
है ना? अब हम आपसे पूछ रहे हैं हाउ ऑफ्टन डू यू अटेंड माई क्लास। मेरा सवाल है, माई क्वेश्चन इज हाउ ऑफ्टन डू यू अटेंड माई क्लास? अब बताओ ये 2 times in a week or daily or in a month?
Just 2 times in a week.
2 ही बार? सप्ताह में अटेंड
Yes,
करते
sir.
हैं? यस, ओके, 2
Yes, sir.
टाइम्स इन ए वीक, वेरी गुड। तो उसी
Sir.
तरह से ये क्वेश्चन है, हाउ ऑफ्टन इज 15 ऑन टीवी?
मतलब ये प्रोग्राम कितनी बार टीवी पे आया?
आया कैसे चलेगा? आया मतलब पास्ट हो गया ना, इसमें सबसे ज्यादा है।
आया, हाँ। ओके ओके ओके, मतलब ये प्रोग्राम कितनी बार टीवी पे, अब मैं कैसे बोलूं उसको,
आता है।
हाउ ऑफ्टन, हाँ आता है, हाँ।
अच्छा, अंग्रेजी में बताओ, क्या कितनी बार आता है?
How often is 15th on the TV?
और ये
I can
15th तो नहीं है, 15th नहीं है,
15 on
15,
TV.
हाँ।
Sir, I can read paragraph.
हाँ हाँ, प्लीज
Sir,
प्लीज
ये
टेक
पैराग्राफ
इट।
वाला चक्कर है।
हाँ,
एक
देखो
छोड़ो,
देखो
सर,
देखो
मैं पैराग्राफ ना पास ले रख लेती हूँ।
देख लो, देखो, टेक योर टाइम।
सर वेट करो,
हाँ,
मैं
मैं वेट
पैराग्राफ में
करूंगा,
पूछ
बिल्कुल
सकती हूँ।
बिल्कुल पक्का। Okay, tell me, how often is 15 on TV?
Every week.
Every
Wait
week.
करो।
One time
Wait
every
करो।
week or 2 times every week? और 3 times?
सर
देखो, ये सारी जितनी चीजें हम लोग कर रहे हैं इसमें, और जहां जहां पे हम लोग फंस रहे हैं, गलती हो रही है आपसे, वो सब चीजें अपने आप में एक क्वालिटी डिमांड करती हैं कि आपने रीडिंग कर लिया, बहुत अच्छी बात, लेकिन आपने अच्छे से नहीं पढ़ा तो अगला क्वेश्चन आपसे सॉल्व ही नहीं होएगा, आप आंसर ही नहीं।
सर मैं अंडरस्टैंड कर गई ईच एंड एवरीथिंग
अबाउट दिस कोर्स।
यस सर,
ये कोर्स अपने आप में एकदम एक चैलेंज है, जिसको यदि कंप्लीट कर दो तो इस कोर्स को खत्म होने के बाद इंसान ही दूसरा होगा। राइट है कि रॉन्ग है?
यस सर, मैं फील करना चाहती हूँ।
Take your time to read the passage.
Sir, every week means सर यहाँ पे एवरी वीक ही दिखाई दे रहा, मतलब मेरे को लग रहा है।
अब आप बताओ, एवरी वीक दिखाई दे रहा है तो आपका क्या दिमाग कहता है? एवरी वीक मतलब सप्ताह में एक बार या 2 बार, वंस इन ए वीक और ट्वाइस इन ए वीक, 3 टाइम्स इन ए वीक, क्या आपका दिमाग क्या कहता है?
सर डेली
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 नो
सर, एवरी वीक मीन लास्ट डे ऑफ,
it is not clear last day, it is not clear last day, any day, but once in a week only, one time in a week.
Okay, one time.
Every week means one time in a week.
One time. Sir,
yes.
This paragraph na, every week I never forget this word na, every week means.
अब आपको शाखा समझ में आ रहा है कि ये कोर्स अपने आप में कैसे चैलेंज है?
Yes, sir. So every week, once in a week. Okay,
once
yes,
in a week. So every single question, every single line, and every single sentence, and every single word in this course is going to change you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I think we should stop here for today.
Okay.
And in the next class, we will do from here ahead, right? और उम्मीद है कि आप एक सप्ताह पूरा इसको अच्छे से पढ़ते रहेंगी, जब जब टाइम मिलेगा आपको टाइम निकालना नहीं है, लेकिन हाँ, जब टाइम मिले तो इसको एज एन एंटरटेनमेंट सोर्स के तौर पे पढ़ते रहना है, सुनते रहना है, और जो भी पढ़ना है फोकस के साथ। हम 2 लाइन ही पढ़े, लेकिन 2 लाइन फोकस के साथ। यस, बोलिए।
Sir, now I focus each and every point, word.
आज का क्लास शाखा आप भूलेंगी नहीं।
जी सर,
इस क्लास ने आपको एकदम झकझोर के रख दिया होगा। दिस क्लास shocked and rocked you, right?
Yes, sir. So this paragraph is very simple for me, but
the questions made it tough, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अभी हम
It is
जब हम बोलते हैं कि ये कोर्स करने के बाद, ये वाला जो बुक हमने आपको दे रखा है, ये कोर्स करने के बाद लड़का ऑब्जेक्टिव इंग्लिश, डिस्क्रिप्टिव इंग्लिश और इंटरव्यू सब चीज के लिए एक बार तैयार हो जाता है, तो बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट कहते हैं ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है?
Yes, sir, it is a factual. So, sir, it is a fact because when we were talking,
Yes, yes.
when we were talking about famous personality, so I learned lot of things. I learned lot of things. So it is also part of learning.
Yes, of course, it is a part of learning. I do agree.
Yes, sir. तो and उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Wait. और मेरे लिए सर
You can ask me meanings, Shakha.
Yes, sir. और मेरे लिए ना बहुत अच्छा होने वाला है, मतलब
It is going to be fantastic for me.
हाँ, yes, sir. For me, for future, because many times while interviewing, this type of conversation
happens, takes place.
Yes, sir. So at that moment I can't explain, but now I explain. I learn the depth, how I represent myself related to this topic. मतलब sometime I can.
बहुत अच्छा आप कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा आप कर रहे हो। आप सेकंड डे में ये कर रहे हो ना, ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज होता है सेकंड डे में स्टूडेंट्स के लिए इतना कर पाना जो आप कर पा रहे हो।
थैंक यू सर।
ये हम मोटिवेट करने के लिए सिर्फ नहीं बोल रहे, ये सच्चाई है, ठीक है?
ठीक है, थैंक यू।
ये पक्का है, सच्चाई है ये जो हम बोल रहे हैं कि सेकंड डे में इतना करने में बच्चों की हालत खराब हो जाती है शाखा, और आप बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो, बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हो आप। मतलब एकदम जो सच्ची में हम बोलते हैं ना क्लास में कि मेरा दिल, जान, जिगर, गुर्दा, किडनी, फेफड़ा सब ले गए, तो तुम ले गए, लिटरली तुम ले गए यार। गजब का है परफॉर्मेंस ये है, ठीक है? और आप इसको एकदम कंटिन्यू कीजिए बहुत अच्छे से। अब आपका जो इंक्वायरी जब आपने करा था, वो क्या है आपका कश्मीर वाला क्लास अटेंड करने के बाद आपने हमसे इंक्वायरी करा था, उस समय आपके मन में काफी सस्पिशन चल रहा होगा कि कैसे होगा कोर्स में। क्या अब इस कोर्स को 2 दिन करने के बाद आपको ये बातें समझ में आ रही है कि जो हमने क्लेम किया था इस कोर्स के बारे में कि अपने आप में एक कंप्लीट कोर्स है, होलसम, इट्स नॉट ओनली लैंग्वेज कोर्स, ये स्किल डेवलपमेंट है एक तरह से।
It is a skill development. This course develop every मतलब aspect
of your personality.
हाँ, every aspect of personality. मतलब English teaching, learning, reading, speaking. I totally impact. On my
impactful. Yes, it impacts totally on your whole personality, right?
Yes, sir.
हमने एक सेंटेंस बोला था कि आप इस कोर्स को कंप्लीट करने के बाद एक फिजिकली वही इंसान रहोगे, लेकिन मेंटली और आईक्यू के मैटर पे एक दूसरे इंसान हो जाओगे एकदम, इस कोर्स को कंप्लीट करने के बाद।
सर मैं वैसा बनना चाहती हूँ।
अभी आपको 2 दिन में एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा है कि क्या क्या चीजें ऐड करवा रहा है आपकी पर्सनैलिटी में ये कोर्स, और बहुत स्मूथली। आपको फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है ये कोर्स, आपको फोर्स नहीं कर रहा है, बहुत स्मूथली करवा रहा है।
सर बहुत स्मूथली से। सर और साथ में ना वेट, मैं हिंदी में बोली, मतलब इसमें जो कोर्स में उन्होंने डाला है ना, मतलब वो इतनी अच्छी चीजें डाली है कि जो आपका माइंड उसको पकड़ता है, उन चीजों को
एकदम आसानी से पकड़ता है। हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
हाँ, और उनको बताता भी है और इंस्पायरिंग भी है, क्योंकि वो जब आप क्योंकि जब आप किसी के बारे में बोलते हो तो वो चीजें आपको सीधा से टक करती है कि हाँ वो वैसा है, ये है, तो आपको काफी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है। मतलब
और ये सब जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है आपका, ये एक स्टूडेंट के लिहाज से बहुत जबरदस्त ऑब्जर्वेशन है शाखा। ये बताता है कि यू आर ए मैच्योर लर्नर, आईक्यू के मामले में अमेजिंग है। तो शाखा आज की क्लास हम लोग यहीं पर रैप अप करते हैं, और हम लोग फिर अगले क्लास में मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सैटरडे को, ठीक है? इन बिटवीन पूरे वीकडेज में अगर आपको कहीं कोई दिक्कत होता रहे सेल्फ स्टडी करने में, डोंट हेजिटेट टू मेक मी अ कॉल। मैसेज ड्रॉप
ओके
मत
सर।
करना, क्योंकि हमने पहले भी बताया व्हाट्सएप पे 2000-3000 मैसेजेस होते हैं, बहुत मुश्किल होता है। आप ड्रॉप करोगे 1 घंटे में मैसेज बहुत नीचे चला जाएगा, हम देख नहीं पाते।
सर यू हैव 2000 कंटेंट ऑन व्हाट्सएप?
Contacts more than 2000, I think 3000 about.
Oh, so I guess you are famous.
Because I'm a teacher, that's why students are in my contact, my dear. And now because I've started teaching online, the students from other states are also in my contact. That's why WhatsApp contact has increased. So, and I have been
Yes, sir.
an academy faculty also.
Okay. So sir, at present.
Present I'm not getting time to take classes, but I am a registered faculty on an academy.
Okay, हाँ.
Paid faculty.
Yes, sir,
paid faculty हम वहाँ के. Salary paid.
Paid faculty मतलब
Yes.
सैलरी मिलती है?
हाँ जी, सैलरी मिलती है. Shaka, you are talking about my salary. So I think we should just now wrap up the class and say goodbye. Good night.
Okay, sir.
Good night. Take care. एंड मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, जो लोग भी इस क्लास को YouTube पर देखेंगे, वो इस बच्ची के जुझारू नेचर एटीट्यूड को देखिए, कितना स्ट्रगलिंग है ये लड़की, इतना जबरदस्त तरीके से एक एक वर्ड, एक एक, आप लोग जो डरते हो, उन बच्चों से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ YouTube पर, जो लोग ये डरते हैं कि मेरे से गलती हो जाएगी अंग्रेजी बोलने में, ये बच्ची गलती कर रही है और उसके बाद फिर इसको सही कर रही है पूछ पूछ के। ये एटीट्यूड आप सबको इससे सीखना चाहिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।